Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. After releasing here, you've got the recents, and all you have to do to close all of them is to tap on the trash bin icon. And now we can go back to the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Be aware, because it closes only those apps which were opened and they are still in recents. If you want to forcefully stop the app, you have to go to the settings, then scroll down and find the apps, enter manage apps, and find the app which you'd like to turn off. So let's pretend I want this Block Blast, maybe not. Okay, so here we've got the Chrome. All you have to do is to tap on Force Stop and confirm it by tapping on Force Stop. And now you fully turned off the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.